Hi, to solve battery drain problem on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, as a first step, let's do battery checkup. For that, open your phone app and tap this keypad icon. After that, enter this secret code asterisk hash, again asterisk hash 6485 hash asterisk hash asterisk. After that, you would see this charging and battery info. So take a look at this section MB06. If you can see here word good like in my case, then everything is just fine. This is for the state of your battery, so here you should see information good. Now let's open settings. And here disable not needed notifications. So find your notifications and status bar. After that, go in app notifications. And here disable notifications for not needed apps. For example, I don't need notifications from Google Play Store, so I'm gonna disable them by tapping on the switcher. You can do the same for each app you see in this list. Just tap on the slider so it will become gray, and that's basically it. Now the next thing we can do is find this display and brightness tab, and here switch from light mode to dark mode by tapping it, and also disable auto brightness and manually adjust it. For that, drag the slider left to reduce brightness. But I'm gonna leave it here because you need to see what's going on here, right? So let's, for now, scroll a bit more in settings. And now let's actually go back in display brightness, find refresh rate, and here we would need to choose custom and set at 60 Hz to save battery power. You won't notice much difference, but this will fix battery draining problem. After that, we can go in sounds and vibration, and here we can disable not needed options. For example, you can go in additional settings and disable some of the system sounds. Just tap on those switchers like that to disable everything. And now let's go back in main settings. And from here, we will need to find location tab. And now you can go in location services and also disable Wi-Fi scanning right here and Bluetooth scanning because it is constantly searching for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, which drains battery quickly and a lot. And after that, you can also disable location at all or go in application permission and here disable location for preferred apps. For example, you can disable it for gallery and so on. So after we disabled location, we can go in battery tab and here in current mode, we can switch to battery saver. As you can see, it restricts the activity of system apps and many other, but you will get like extra time on your phone. So just tap OK to confirm and you'll see this orange tab now. Also, you can switch from battery saver to ultra battery saver and you'll be able to use your phone for this amount of time, but in that case it will just disable most of my apps. So just choose battery saver. Let me switch to balance mode and let's go next. So what we can do here is we can find privacy tab and in privacy find this last one, usage and diagnostics. And here disable usage and diagnostics because it is automatically sending diagnostic device and app usage data to Google, and we don't need this and additionally drains battery, so let's just turn it off. Now, the next thing we can do is to delete not needed apps. So choose your apps tab, choose manage apps, and here, for example, I can delete this game. I don't know what that is. It's just basic Xiaomi application. So I can just uninstall it by tapping this recycle bin and tapping OK. Let's move on to the next thing we can do, and it is located in Google. So find your Google tab, make sure you're signed in, and after that, from recommended, switch to all services. Scroll down and find devices. So here we can also turn off scanning for nearby devices, which constantly scanning for devices and drains battery a lot. And after that, let's find additional settings, gesture shortcuts, and here you can disable not needed gestures. For example, I can disable to take a screenshot with this feature slide 3 fingers down, and for that I'm gonna tap right here and I'm gonna disable partial screenshot as well because I don't use this one. And now let's go back in my settings, and the next thing I suggest you to do is to turn off animation in wallpaper. So if you got like animated wallpaper, then I suggest you to choose something from the list, just a picture. Simply select it and then tap apply. And here are also disable wallpaper carousel because it drains battery a lot. And what else we can do is we can disable Wi-Fi when you're using mobile data, but I'm using Wi-Fi at the moment, so let's disable mobile data. For that, we need to go in mobile networks and here tap on the switcher near mobile data, but my SIM card is not inserted, so this is unavailable for me right now. Also, when no devices are connected to your phone via Bluetooth, you can also disable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher like that, and do the same for portable hotspot because all of those features drains battery a lot. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comments. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.